p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What's going on, man?
What's up, brother, man?
Man, I can't complain. How you been?
Not too bad.
How was that drive this time?
Not too bad. I actually pulled it this time.
Okay. That was all right.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that's why they call it God's country.
What you got going on?
Talking about this one?
Yeah.
I honestly don't know if he's still playing that one or not. He was having trouble at my amp for a while ago.
Yeah.
I'll holler at him real quick. We'll see.
Okay, that works. I thought that was yours too, right?
No, that's my buddy Chris.
Okay.